Hi, friends. Hi, everyone. I hope you all are doing great and you people are keeping yourselves safe. So, friends, today I'm back with you with a new reading. Welcome to my channel, Celestial Moon Fortune Readings. And today I will like to do a very interesting reading for you. We have three piles over here, and the question that I will be seeing today for you people is what is the first impression that you guys make on people? Okay, so that is the question. And if you find this reading interesting, please subscribe to my channel, like, and share the video. So, this is these are small little Care Bears. This is the yellow Care Bear for pile 1. Pile 2 has the green Care Bear, and pile 3 has the pink Care Bear. Please take a minute and focus on which picker pile would you like to take. You can always pause the video, guys, and meditate on which pile you would intuitively pick. So let's begin your reading, guys. So for pile 1, all those who chose the yellow Care Bear, let's start with your reading. Guys, these cards are pre-shuffled, but for the main cards, I will like to read the Lenormand cards today. So I'll shuffle them in front of you today. So what is the first impression that pile 1 makes on people? What is the first impression that pile 1 makes on people? What is the first impression that pile 1 makes on people? Too many cards. What is the first impression that pile 1 makes on people? Okay, so we have 4 cards. I'll take another one. What's the first impression? The first impression. Okay. I hope you can see the cards, guys. Okay. So pile 1, I can see there are a lot of Pisces people involved here, and maybe an Aquarius or a Taurus somewhere. And these are the what this is what the cards are telling me, and I feel that you people are very active. The cards are telling me that you are very active where your lifestyle is concerned. You can either be a very social kind of a person, and you like something, you like to live a very luxurious lifestyle where a lot of money is concerned, and where you people love to splurge on things. You basically live life king size kind of a impression that you give people, and your social relationships are very good, so you people have a great deal of contacts, that you have contacts in higher places with higher people, and you basically know you have a person in every area or concern of life, which that they will help you out some way or the other. And they also see you as a very wise person where money is concerned. You are a very wise person where your money is concerned. I can see a lot of businessmen over here, and people who are into trading and maybe import and export, or that kind of a career option. I also feel that some people see you as a little aggressive where your nature is concerned. They aggressive means where your ambitions are concerned, where your career, your that way kind of aggressive. You are very aggressive in pursuing what you feel you should have. You are somebody who wants the best in life, the best that money can buy. You have that urge, you have that drive, and that's what makes you very active, and you get them also. Sometimes people see you as though you have excess of everything. Sometimes they feel that this is the first impression that you make on people. And they also see you as somebody who's very street smart, very smart, where your dealings with people and society and your money and relationships, everything that is concerned, they know that you are a very practical sort of a person, and you know exactly how to deal with people, how to make the right kind of impression, or how to get your work done. This is how they see you. They also feel that you are a big risk taker. They know that you will, if the situation requires it, you will take that kind of risk that is required for your success, for your ambition. They know you will make this kind of a you will make this kind of an impression on people. Not only impression, this is your basic nature. So they also know that you probably, some of you, majority of you, believe in Shivji, as a deity or as a god. And you basically worship him as your Isht Devta, like how you say it in Hindi. So will some of you will worship him, and it is in your favor that you worship him, so that you can have that fearlessness in you. You people are also very fearless. You like to take risks. You like the dangerous aspect of things, where anything, where you want something, you will get it. You will somehow make a situation or create a situation where you will get exactly what you want. Right, guys? So let's see your tarot cards. You are also helpful. Yes, you are a very helpful sort of a person. You help people who have a very genuine cause. Action, two action cards. And they also feel that they see you in a place where you get lonely often. They feel that you are a lonely sort of a person, but actually this is the impression that they get of you, but actually it is your solitude that you like the most. You people like your solitude. You people portray as though you are very extroverted, and you have a big social, you have a youth social life and you like meeting people, but the contrary is that you people like being alone sometimes. You like staying away from the limelight for some time. You like action, but you like your own action. You like to stay in your personal space and think about things and make your dreams come true, how you're going to do it, what are your aims, what are your ambitions. This is what you feel when you are alone. This is what you think about. So you actually worship your me time. You basically want your me time. And sometimes you people even cut off totally from your social life. You just lock yourself in a room and you are like, okay, now I need some rest, I need some me time, I need some alone time. So this is the first impression that people have of you. They feel that you're very abrupt in the sense that you sometimes will be so extroverted that they will feel that, okay, this guy is actually going into an excess of everything. And the other moment, you will just snap off and you will just lock yourself away from the world. So this kind of an impression is what I'm getting from the cards right now. They will feel that you help other people, you help genuine cases, you help uh, people who you feel need your kind of help, and you are generous in that manner. But you are also smart where your generosity is concerned. You are smart. You will help those who are genuine. Even you feel that other people who are trying to make a fool out of you, you catch them in seconds. You know that, okay, this person is not being genuine with me, so I don't think I can help him in any which way. So this is your first impression, guys. So people basically know that you are a no nonsense sort of a person, and it's not the right thing to mess with you or to fool you in any which way, because that's not going to be possible. You are an aggressive person, so you might just lash out at them in some way or the other. You are somebody who does not tolerate any kind of lies or any kind of deception or any hanky panky business, monkey business. That's not your thing. You are not going to in any which way tolerate any of that from anybody. From any means anybody. It can be a loved one, it can be your family members, it can be friends, it can be the society, it can be your seniors, your juniors, or wherever you're working or whatever you're doing. And this is the endurance card. You are very determined, as the cards have said. You are a determined soul. What you want, you will get. You will get it by hook or by crook, and you will make sure that you get what you have set your sights on. Self empowered and ambitious. You are ambitious and you will get what you want. You are self empowered. You don't need anybody to tell you that, okay, you don't need all the good talk about you should do this and do that and this is how you should do. You know already that, okay, I like this thing, or I want this thing, this is my mission, this is my goal, so this is how it's going to happen and this is how I'm going to do it. So you are a self empowered kind of a person. You don't need any suggestions or advice or anything. You are way above that. You don't need any. You are self motivated. I trust, knowing, and follow my heart. Very, very apt to the reading. So basically, you know what is in your heart and you follow your intuition, you follow your heart. You don't require anything else. You are so self motivated that you don't require any kind of soothsaying in a way. You know what you want. So these were your cards, pile 1. I hope it resonated with you. If it did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and share the video, hit the notification bell, so I can make such more such videos for you in the future. Bye. Thank you. Hi, Pile 2. Welcome to your reading. And for those who chose this cute little uh, lucky, this is the clover. This is the four-leaf lucky clover. So this Care Bear is considered to bring you a lot of luck. So let's hope it does. Let's begin with your reading. So pile 2, what is the first impression that you make on people? What is the first impression that pile 2 makes on people? What is the first impression that pile 2 makes? Okay, these are a lot of cards. Right, pile 2. What I feel is the first impression that you guys make on people is that you are physically very attractive. For women, they are very beautiful, and for men, they are considered very handsome. So, this is the first impression that you make on people. They see you as very graceful and very a very positive person, you know that somebody who has a lot of charm and a lot of grace. And they also see you as somebody who's a very decisive kind of a person. You make your decisions and you stick to them. This is the second quality that they see in you. You make your decisions. You are a very decisive person. You know when you need to choose between two options or two paths or two alternatives. You know which one to take. You are very confident in that manner. They see you as a very confident person. Maybe even that confidence that you exude comes across as being very attractive to them. Also, with the garden card, I feel that you have a huge circle of friends. You like your social gatherings, your little parties, and you are a social animal, is what people see you as. They see you as being somebody in the limelight. You like being in the limelight, and they also see that you like making new friends, you like coming across new people, you make friends very quickly. I have two physical beauty cards. So you people are actually very beautiful, with the moon card also telling me. And you people are also very, I would say, emotional. You people are very emotional. You come across as being emotional to other people. You are very famous in your social circle. I also see that. You people are very famous in your social circle. You are quite well known. You have that kind of recognition and that kind of fame in your circles wherever you are, and people actually respect that. You have maintained your status in a very different and in a very respectful way, and that is really nice. That's what probably makes you more attractive to other people. Also, you people have a very strong intuition. With two intuition cards also, I feel that you people have a very strong intuition, and other people know that. They know that you go by your wits. Whatever your wit says, whatever your hunches says, you stick with that. You do that. You totally go with whatever your heart tells you to. There is this path card tells me that you like changes, you get bored of the mundane and monotonous kind of life or lifestyle, anything which gets you bored. You just want to change. You do not like to stick too long in a situation, or maybe in any place, or any kind of a, it can even be a relationship. You don't, you like things to keep moving, you like changes, you like something, you like the spiciness of life. You cannot basically just stay and stuck in one place. You like your changing, and you like meeting new people. You like the newness of things, be it in a relationship, be it in your social life, or be it in your relationship with people. Anyhow, you just like something new. You don't like being stuck anywhere. It just bores you out, and to no extent. So pile 2, let's see your tarot cards. That's exactly what I said. Tenderness. You are very emotional. You're very tender. You are very delicate in a way. That's what people feel, that emotionally also, and it can even be physically, because you people are so fair and beautiful that उनको लगता है कि आपको अगर छुएंगे तो कुछ हो जाएगा. That kind of, they have that kind of an impression that you can't even touch her and she will probably get a bruise or something. So you are basically very beautiful, you're fair, you're very fair. And the sun signs that I can see are Cancer and Libra, which is obviously ruled by Venus, the goddess of beauty. And I see 3 Libras actually. Yeah, Libras and Cancerians, most of y'all. Or you may be having Libra or Cancer in your sun, moon, or rising in your chart. So, you people are hardworking. You people work hard. You slog it all out, and you work hard because you know that there is no other way to achieve success except for hard work. You people work hard, and you all get the solutions also, and you all get the success also. It is only because of your hard work, wherever you are today, wherever whatever your fame or your fortune you have, or whatever it is only because of this hard work. It is because of this hard work and the success that you have got. And you people are somebody who look for solutions. Instead of focusing on the problem, you people focus on solutions. You don't waste time. You people don't believe in wasting time. You people move on. Like similarly, like the changes that were coming in, you people end a chapter, and you want to move on now. You want something to move on. You need a reason to move on, so you move on. Similarly, you people achieve your goals in this manner. This is one of the virtues in your life. That is the reason that you achieve your goals. You people work hard. Work hard is always there, and you achieve your goals. You are also very sensitive, very soft. Some of you might be soft spoken also, and you are very tender towards others. You are very sensitive towards others. You don't like hurting people. You are a very good listener. You listen to other people, and you give very good counseling. You give very good advice, and you give good suggestions, and that is what people appreciate about you. Decisions and directions. The same card which came up first. Beauty and abundance. So guys, you you people are actually so beautiful that even people stand to think that okay, can someone actually be so beautiful? So on the physical, but you are actually beautiful on the inside also. Inside also, you people are very kind hearted, you are very generous, and you people feel that everybody, everything should be good with everybody. You exude that positivity, in front of people, that they they feel very positive in your company, in your presence. They feel very positive. I can see the situation another way. Exactly. You find solutions to the problems. You don't focus on the problem, you focus on the solution. You people believe in moving forward. That is what gives you the determination to reach where you are today, to have all the success in life. So, all you beautiful people, this was your reading, and I hope it resonated with you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can make such more such videos for you. And I'll see you in my next reading. Bye bye. Hi, Pile 3, welcome to your reading. And for those of you who chose this cute pink Care Bear with the cute little hearts on his tummy, this is your reading. Okay, what's the first impression that Pile 3 makes on people? The first impression that Pile 3 makes on people. I hope you can see the cards, Pile 3. Okay. So, Pile 3, the first impression that you people make on people is that you are very learned. People feel that you have a lot of knowledge. They see you as a powerhouse of knowledge, of ideas, of suggestions, or maybe experiences. They feel that you people have experienced so much in life that you have a lot of things to say to people. In the sense, you have a lot of knowledge to give people who feel that you have a lot of experience behind you. You people have also been through so much in life that you, at a young age, you people have seen a lot in life. And because of this, because of these experiences, you are able to give a lot of knowledge to people. You give them very wise advice. You have a lot of wisdom. You have, no doubt, you have academic studies and academic degrees and whatever. You are very learned in that sense, but even otherwise, even mentally, you people are way advanced than most other people, than the general people, basically. I feel some of you, many people come to you for advice, when they are in pain or when they are in some kind of a suffering. They always think of you, they know that you will have the solutions. This is a solution card. They feel that you have the solution to every problem of theirs. So people see you, they respect you in that way. They feel that this person will have a solution to my problem. This person will give me wise advice. Also, I feel that you people are introverted. You people are, you don't like, you like being alone, I would say. I wouldn't want to use the negative form of the word, but you people like being by yourself, reading books, and watching your shows. You like your me time. You like spending time with your own self. This is how you people are. And sometimes, people feel that you can come across as a very straightforward person, a very blunt sort of a person. That is the reason they respect you even more, because they know that you will not mince your words while talking to them or giving them any kind of advice. They know you will be very straightforward, and you will give them very blunt whatever they need to know, very blunt advice, very blunt counseling. You will tell them the truth. You are somebody who likes the truth. You are not somebody who people can lie to, because you are yourself a very truthful sort of a person, a very principled sort of a person. And because of these principles, people think that you are very, you know arrogant. They feel that you are arrogant, or maybe you have some kind of ego issues, but that is not true. You are a very principled person. You live by your principles, and that is why people feel that you are not somebody to be messed with. And that is true also. You are not somebody to mess with. You are way too smart. You are way too learned for other people to mess with you in any which way. You come across as arrogant, and you don't mind that, honestly, because you don't really care what people think of you. You have that I give a damn kind of an attitude, and that is how people perceive you. But on the other hand, you people are also very committed to a relationship, to any kind of relationship, to any kind of cause that you take up. You people are committed. You And once you are committed, you don't even flinch, or you don't even bat an eye with doubt about it. So you people are very committed where relationships are concerned, where your family is concerned. You are otherwise an introvert. You don't really make friendships, and you don't like meeting new people or whatever. But when somebody cracks into your inner circle of friends or family or whatever, you are totally and 100% committed to them. That is the kind of impression you give people. Let's see your tarot cards. Stability, success, and unconditional love. So pile 3, you people are very stable. Obviously that it comes with the reading that I gave you first. You people are very stable. You are very sound of mind, and you are very practical. People feel that you are stable in giving your advice, in giving your guidance to other people, and giving solutions to other people. So you are their messiah in a way. They take you as a messiah. They see that nobody can have more knowledge, or nobody can have a better solution than you. Success, they see you as a very successful person. They see that you are so learned. You are bound for success. You are so learned and so experienced in life that you are bound for some kind of success. And unconditional love, yes, your love knows no conditions. When you decide on any kind of a relationship, be it with family, be it with friends, be it with your own partner, you are very committed. Your love is unconditional. Harmony and integrity, the principles that I was talking about, you are very integral to your own people. People who have managed to win your heart in some way or the other, you are very very integral to them. You don't really care about other people, what other people think or what other people say. But to your own people, be it your family, be it your partner, be it your friends, a few close friends, you people have very few friends, you people don't have very many friends, or you people are not socially very active. But whoever you have with you, you are very integral to them. They can do anything good or they can do anything bad. You are always standing beside them in whatever condition, whatever situation. You are right there, you are the backbone of these people. You are so important to them. Charm and passion. You are passionate about the things that interest you. You know, you are very passionate. You have that passion. That passion drives you to search for the truth. You know, the truth in situations, the truth in people, the truth otherwise in the world. You know, you have a passion for solutions, because you know that there is a solution for everything. If there is a problem, there is also a solution for everything. I release myself from self inflicted binds. You don't sit down and moan you don't sit down in self pity, and you don't mourn whatever bad has happened to you. Although your past has not been smooth, your past has been very rough, and you have gained a lot of wisdom from those lessons, from that past of yours. But then you don't let that bog you down. You know, you don't let any kind of binds or any kind of chains of negativity, of toxicity bind you down in any which way. You break them and you move forward. So this is what people know about you, this is what people feel, this is your first impression. They feel that nothing can stop you, you know, no negative situation can stop you in any which way. You will free yourself and you will move forward no matter what it takes. So, pile 3, this was your reading and this was your first impression on people. If it resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please let me know in the comment section whatever you feel. And if you want me to do specific readings for a specific question, please do let me know. Bye and thank you. I'll see you in my next video.